Not too bad a guess. Hi guys, I hope you're all having a really good Christmas. I just thought I'd take you shopping for the materials to start the work in here tomorrow. I was hoping I was going to start today, but the day kind of ran away with me. I didn't get off to an early start, and then when I came back, I've been helping Lynn move the chickens into a temporary pen while we do some other work, which is what the rebar was for. It's some temporary stakes just to hold some netting up whilst we do that. In fact, the temperature's plummeted this afternoon. It's about 4 degrees in here. I had to steal Lynn's hat because my head were freezing. So tomorrow's plan, hopefully I'll get cracking a little bit earlier than I did today. So tomorrow I'm going to take this shelf down. I'm going to take all these wide boards off. I'm going to build the stud work and then the insulation and the boards up to above ceiling height, and then start to frame out the ceiling on this side of the central beam. And then the OSB board, which is a lot cheaper alternative than buying more tongue groove boarding, I'm going to put above ceiling height on this wall. But to do that, I need to repair some of the barn wall on the outside, something that's been like that for years, and I've been ignoring it, and I need to do that. And also this set of ladders here, I need to get them out. So I'm going to cut an hole in the gable end, take the ladders out that way, patch the gable end up, board it on the inside, get the ceiling in, keep moving tomorrow because it's going to be cold. I think the day starts off at -2, so cold in here in the morning. But I hope you've enjoyed going shopping with me today. A little bit different to normal video, and I'll catch you again in a couple of days time with an update of what we've been doing. See you later guys, bye.